scores, the crowd's going wild. He's a football hero, a little menos mild.
Olga spins, she sings and takes the stage. Her ballerina steps, they still el page.
Joteo kicks, Olga sings, Alma runs so fast. In this crazy mundo, amigos siempre last. We laugh, we shout, we cheer como un dream. This is our vida, a local fun-filled team. Alma's in la cocina, fast as light, shopping, cooking, morning to midnight. Teo's in the park, goal en el aire. Olga singing loud, dando su flair, dando su flair.
Friends like us, we're on mejor mix. Super en salsa, goles and high kicks.
Spinning in rhythm, cooking a feast. We're rolling.
Hola amigos, I'm Tio and I love football. Wanna count with me? It's gonna be super fun. But first, let me show you my awesome football skills. Watch this, I can bounce the ball on my knee. And look, I can do a header too. Now are you ready to learn some Spanish? Let's go. We'll start with uno. That means one in Spanish. Can you say it with me? Uno. Next is dos. Dos means two in Spanish. Let's say it together. Dos. Awesome. Now 2 bounces on my knee for dos. Are you having fun? I am. Let's keep going. Tres is our next number. It means 3. Can you guess what we're going to do? That's right. 3 headers. 1, 2, 3. Tres headers. Great job, amigos. We've learned uno, dos, and tres. Let's practice more next time. Hasta luego. Now we have cuatro. Can you guess what it means? If you said 4, you're right. Cuatro is 4 in Spanish. Let's do 4 dribbles around the cone for cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cuatro dribbles. We're doing great! Are you ready for the next number? It's cinco. Cinco means 5 in Spanish. Let's do 5 juggles with our feet for cinco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cinco juggles! Our next number is seis. Seis means 6 in Spanish. For seis, let's do 6 passes to our imaginary friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seis passes. Great job. Now we have siete. Siete means 7. Let's take 7 steps with the ball for siete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Siete steps. We're almost there. Our next number is ocho. Ocho means 8 in Spanish. Can you say it? Ocho. For ocho, let's do 8 spins with the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ocho spins. Let's do 9 toe taps on the ball for Nueve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nueve toe taps. And now, for our last number, Diez. Diez means 10 in Spanish. It's our biggest number yet. For Diez, let's do 10 jumps for joy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Diez jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, amigos! You're amazing Spanish counters now! Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep counting in Spanish. And don't forget to have fun with football too! Hasta luego, amigos! See you next time for more fun and learning. Now it's time to sing along.